1992, Srinagar, a time when raising the Indian flag would get you killed. This photo captures the very movement of raw resistance against terror at its peak. A young Narendra Modi with BJP stalwart Murli Manohar Joshi standing at the center of it all, raising the tricolour despite being warned by terrorists that it could get them killed. Now look around. It looks like an ordinary market street, except that morning it wasn't normal at all. Explosions nearby, militants in the area, every camera, every mic catching it live. This was the final stop of the 15,000 kilometer Ekta Yatra from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. Modi ji was its convener, and here, despite all odds, a young Modi alongside Joshi ji raised the Tiranga. Threats, blasts, warning of death, none of it stopped them. It took only 15 minutes to send one message: this land is ours.